how to lock games and apps on Windows 11. This is a great way to protect your privacy and ensure that no one else can access your personal or sensitive apps. Let's get started. First, we need to download an app that will help us lock our applications. Open the Microsoft Store on the Start menu and select Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, search for My Lockbox. Click on Lockbox from the start search results and then click on the Get. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch My Lockbox. When you open Launch Box for the first time, you'll be prompted to set a password. Enter a strong password that you'll remember, confirm it, and then click OK. Now, to lock an app or game, click on Browse and navigate to the folder where the app or game is installed. Select the folder and click OK. The selected folder is now protected by Lockbox. And that's it. You've successfully locked an app or game on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.